Understanding Hide from the Enemy, a guide to phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, phrases and their meanings. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to hide from the enemy. This phrase is rich in imagery and has both literal and figurative uses. So, let's break it down together and make it easy to understand, whether English is your first language or you're learning it as a second language. The phrase, hide from the enemy, directly refers to the action of concealing oneself or others from an adversary. This could be during a conflict, a competition, or any situation where there's a clear opposition. The word, hide, means to stay out of sight, while enemy refers to someone who is actively opposed or hostile to someone or something. In a literal sense, this phrase could be used in military contexts, games like hide and seek, or any scenario where avoiding detection by an opponent is crucial. Beyond its direct meaning, hide from the enemy can also be understood in a more metaphorical or figurative sense. Here, hiding can mean protecting oneself from negative influences or threats that aren't physically tangible. The enemy, in this context, could be anything from personal fears, societal pressures, to internal struggles. This usage highlights the versatility of English phrases in conveying complex emotional states or strategies for dealing with challenges. To fully grasp how to use hide from the enemy in both senses, let's look at some examples. Literal, during the game, they found an excellent hiding spot to hide from the enemy. Figurative, he tried to hide from the enemy of self-doubt by focusing on positive affirmations. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, enhancing both spoken and written communication. Learning phrases like hide from the enemy can enrich your language skills and help you express ideas more vividly. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Understand the scenario in which a phrase is used to grasp its meaning fully. Practice makes perfect. Try using new phrases in sentences or conversations to become more comfortable with them. Keep a phrasebook. Jot down interesting phrases you come across, along with their meanings and examples. We hope this exploration of the phrase, hide from the enemy, has illuminated its literal and figurative dimensions for you. Phrases like these are the building blocks of fluent and expressive English, and understanding them is a step towards mastery. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into English language learning. See you in the next video.